Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Dr. Soumya. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the books that you should buy for your first year BDS. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notification. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. For human anatomy, B.D. Chaurasi is one of the best books. This contains a lot of information. They have explained it in a point-wise manner, and this has a lot of diagrams which is colorful. Language is also simple, so anyone can understand. If you want to understand the concept, you can just see the diagram. Through those diagrams, you can understand the concept better. Next book is Vishram Singh. This is also one of the book, and this contains quite less information when compared to B.D. Chaurasia, but for exam point of view, this is also best book. And if you are preparing for competitive exams, if you want to enhance your knowledge, then you can definitely go for Gray's Anatomy, which is a standardized book and it is a high level book. For histology and embryology, Inder B. Singh, which is best book for histology and embryology. The content in this book is extremely good. They have explained it in a point-wise manner, and they have given a lot of diagrams, microscopic diagrams, and as well as the diagrams which we have to draw in our exams. They have explained it in a neat manner. Go for it. For biochemistry, Satyanarayan is one of the best book. In this book, they have explained the information, the content in a simpler manner, and they used a simple language. They have given lots of diagrams, flow charts, and cycles as well. And they explain the cycles in a neat manner. It's actually good. There are other books also available in market, such as Vasudevan and Pankaj Naik. Compared to Satyanarayan, these books contain less information, and in exam point of view, if you want to know the concept more, then you can definitely go for Satyanarayan, which is one of the best book. For physiology, Sembulingam is one of the best book. This book contains a lot of diagrams, and the information is extremely good. They have explained it in a simple language, so anyone can understand. There are Sembulingam for medical students are also available. Sembulingam for dental students are also available. You can buy Sembulingam for dental students. It's good. The other book is A.K. Jain. This is also good book. In exam point of view, you can go for this book. If you want to enhance your knowledge and if you want to know more about the concept, then you can definitely go for Guidance, which is a high standard book. Like if you are preparing for competitive exams and all, then you can definitely go for Guidance. This contains a lot of information. For dental anatomy, there is no doubt it's Wheeler's. Because in this book they have given a lot of information and diagrams extremely good. You can understand the concept just by seeing the diagram itself, and it's a standard book. It's high level book. You can definitely go for this book. It's important subject that you should be knowing the concept throughout the BDS course and even after the course as well. So definitely go for this book, guys. Oral histology and embryology, there is no doubt it's Orpans. In this book, they have given a lot of information, like lot of information, but diagrams are not so attractive. It's overwhelming to read. Like you can prepare notes out of this book. You can extract the important points out of this book. So this is one of the best book for oral histology and embryology. This is also important subject that you should be knowing throughout the BDS course and after the course as well. So go for this book, guys. Don't read any other book. It's best book. Practical. For oral histology, Maji Joshi is a must book. In this book, they have given lots of diagrams, and they just mention few points about that. And for other subjects, I personally don't recommend books for practical. You can just go through whatever you studied for theory, that much is enough. But if you wanna buy, then you can definitely go for these books. I'll just mention those books. For anatomy, Cunningham's; for biochemistry, JP; for physiology, AK Jain. These are the books which is available for practical. Or else you can go for the books what your college refers you to buy. This is about the books. And one more must thing is you have to buy companion or question bank book, which contains lot of previous year question papers. They'll give in a chapter wise manner, so you will be understanding what is the important topics in particular chapter, which will make you focus on important topics. So buy these book. Jyotsna Rao or Mastering BDS, you can buy any of the book. In this book you will be having an idea that how you have to present your answer paper and how the question paper pattern will be. So go for these books and have these books. You don't stick to these books, try to refer the standard textbooks. This is all about the video, guys. I hope it was useful for you guys. Thanks for watching. I see you on my next video. Bye.